Yo, we back with another video, and currently I have Mystic Gold for all my assault rifles, and I'm working towards Opal right now. We have, I think about like 3 or 2 Opal so far, if I can remember correctly. But yeah, I got at least 2 or 3 Opal right now, and I'm working to get all of them Opal, and then we gonna be onto the SMGs. I already got a few SMGs gold, Mystic Gold, but yeah, I ain't got all of them gold yet because I haven't really been working on SMGs for real. I've just been doing whichever ones I feel like doing at the time. Like, it'll be random. Like, I got 1 gold for the rocket launchers. I got my knife gold. So, yeah, it's just been whatever I felt like hopping in a match with and doing, that's what I've been doing. You feel me? But other than that, that's really it for real. And wait, no, I got something else to say. This is like, the only hard thing about this, bro, is the sheer amount of kills you have to get, bro. That's the only annoying part, bro, about it, bro. And then sometimes it just be like, damn, this shit, like, be crazy for real, but it's really, I want to say it's like hard, but it is hard in some certain circumstances because some of these weapons absolutely suck. Like, for example, the Goblin assault rifle, bro, that gun is absolutely horrible because it's a one-shot, and it feel like you just tapping for fucking days, bro, because it's a one-shot, bro. And when I was doing it, that shit was making me mad, bro. Especially once you get past like certain rounds, bro. It just feel like that gun just sucks, bro, and it's not doing enough damage, bro. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.